But I think it's the Middle East which is transforming at a pace which is unimaginable. When we saw significant change in the market, that is when we started working with Spintly and your entire
Yeah,
team. Spark is the name of the application that we developed,
yeah.
and it has now 90,000 downloads.
But the way I think Anacity and Spindly work together to create this experience has really
Yeah.
driven the adoption. What Anarog does as a company and what Anacity is there as a product does today.
Gen Z comes of age, mobile usage is the only way forward because they expect everything to be happening through the mobile. In India, I have no reason to believe that Spintly and Anacity will not move together in the rest of the globe as well.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Spintly podcast series, Physical Security Unlocked. And today's topic is digitizing commercial real estate. And we have a special guest to discuss this topic with us. It's Shobna Arora, who is Chief Business Officer at Anarog and heading Anacity. Welcome, Shobna.
Thank you, Rohan. Always a pleasure to speak to a hotshot company which is developing globally a lot like Anacity. Always a pleasure to be here. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks very much. Thanks a lot. And for our audience, if you can just quickly introduce yourself, tell us a little bit about your background. How did you end up in real estate space?
Right. So happy to tell. Rohan, actually, I was nowhere close to technology in any way. I was a banker for almost about 11 years with HSBC and Citi, after which we started our own company from north of India, where we started a company called Society Connect. It was a community management platform, did fairly well in North India, and we sold this company in 2020 to No Broker, after which I worked with them for about a couple of years to settle the platform, and now with Anarok to globally scale Anacity.
Great. Yeah, I mean, Anacity and Anarog are now become very well-known brands in the real estate space over the last few years since I've been in real estate. I'm not from a real
Yeah,
estate background too, just like
yeah.
you. I'm a new, just learning the ropes of real estate. But why
Wow.
don't you tell us about what Anarog does as a company and what Anacity is there as a product does today?
So Anarok is a large conglomerate. It's an IPC, International Property Consultant. It has done fairly well in India. It's only a 8-year-old giant which is continuously growing, and it has various verticals underneath it, which is basically into commercial leasing, residential sales, investments within real estate, and a lot more that we do. Within that, Anacity is a 100% subsidiary, which is only and purely focused on technology and digital transformation for developers across India as well as the Middle East for now.
Anacity was an acquisition, right? Basically, Apna Complex, or is it now a new product completely
I'll
that you bought?
explain. So, Anacity actually was called Apna Complex, and it's almost a decade old. It has been a pioneer of community management in India. We acquired it in 2021. Since then, we pivoted the platform into an enterprise platform entirely and started developing it for developers in India as well as the Middle East. What we essentially do, if I have to really explain this to you, we successfully automate every transaction that takes place or interaction that takes place between a developer and their end customers, both for office spaces, which is large office parks, as well as for residential spaces. For office spaces, our end customers for a developer would be tenants, occupiers, the employees who have any kind of touch points when they enter an office space till the time they leave, towards the evening. Similarly, for residential, it is kind of automating the entire journey. In fact, we are the only platform to automate the journey from when the customer is scouting for a
Mhm.
property to the time they've become a buyer and to the time they've become a resident in any one of the developer communities. That entire life cycle of good 10-15 years or more is automated through a single digital transformation platform, which is mobile app based. What Anacity per se is that, once we gained a lot of experience in India, we now sort of build in India for the world. And while India is scaling beautifully and we are working with some of the largest developers like DLF,
Yeah.
Mahindra, Birla, Lodha. We are also now, a fairly good market share in the Middle East market, where we are also, we've taken a lot of learnings. The platform has become a lot more robust, and the expansion is quite exciting.
Yeah, I see the platform is really good. I mean, we've integrated with you. So we used it. I know
Yes.
Apna Complex started was mainly doing residential, but I think what
Yeah.
NSCT has done is take it into the commercial space and really scaled it there. And I think
Right.
where do you see the market is bigger or growing more? Is residential or is it the commercial side?
Well, it started with commercial. I think it started with residential. We started commercial only almost 2.5 years back when we saw a significant change in the market. That is when we started working with Spintly and your entire
Yeah,
team, and it's been an amazing journey. Uh, what I think is that way back in 2005, the office market was just about 200 million square feet. Today, it is shy of a billion square feet
yeah,
in India. And I think the market is fairly amazing and attractive. What is typically happening in my view is that office spaces have been large office parks, very very beautiful, great cemented structures. But as they are growing and as they are becoming like a mini clubs where there are cafeterias, coffee shops, gyms, creches, and a lot more that is happening within office parks. The employee who enters the office park on an everyday basis, the tenants and the occupiers, have really very low interaction without technology to any of these pieces. And one of the most important pieces have been the integration that we have done with Spintly with respect to the entire access management, where mobile based access management happens through a mobile based device, where through Bluetooth, NFC, QR, every employee taps the turnstiles or the doors on a daily basis and enter. So there is no rudimentary cards that used to be there. There is no passing of cards. There is no losing of cards. And I think all of them are enjoying it very much with this entire new office space, which is very digital now.
yeah, definitely. I mean, we really appreciate the partnership, and we are really pumped about it. How we
Mhm.
can really transform real estate. But what
Absolutely.
has changed? You said over the last 2 years there has been a shift. So what has? I mean, real estate has always been a tough space to,
Yeah.
push technology. There's been resistance from real estate folks not to use technology. But what has changed in the last 2 to 5 years?
A lot has changed, Rohan. I think I have been part of this sector for almost about 10 years now and more. And I think, earlier there was no vision. I mean, the decision makers had absolutely no vision for technology. They were more than happy to have technology in silos, which is sort of taking care of one or two use cases, but has no real interaction with each other. As a result, it was ineffective, it was not efficient, and they had zero analytics on anything at all. I think that mindset is the one that is changing a lot, and real estate has really had to catch up in comparison to other industries. And I think the catch up is still going on, but it is extremely exciting to see that the time that we are here trying to automate things with Internet of Things with you, and with a full employee experience platform or a residential platform through us. I think this is the right time. I think the change is happening as we go, and change is happening really really fast.
Yeah. So if I was to ask you, as a platform, as NSCT, what impact are you having today on your customers in terms of value you're creating for them? Not just through, I mean, obviously, I would be interested also hear about access and see streamlining access, what you're doing. But overall, as a platform, what is the overall value the customer is getting, the real estate customer from your platform?
So so Anacity started with a simple belief that real estate has to be deeply integrated with each other. No single platform, however large, and I believe the Anacity base is extremely comprehensive as a platform, but no single platform will solve the entire set of use cases and integrate all pieces, whether it is an office park or a residential space. What we particularly do, Rohin, just to explain to you, we automate the entire customer journey of for the developers, which is their end customers, like I said earlier. And which means that the entire journey from a customer experience point of view, something that has become very very important to developers, where digital transformation experts are being hired. A lot of hospitality background people are getting hired again for real estate to further enhance the customer experience. Developers have stopped compromising on quality, and they are looking for one single unified technology across the entire office space, or a full residential journey that they have for
Mhm.
their customers. And that is where Anacity is the only platform, I believe, which has come in to sort of solve it together. More than happy to integrate with great partners such as Spintly, where while we build the entire employee experience application, with you we have been able to successfully manage that important hook, which is the access, right? When every time an employee enters an office, they would have to use the application. And while it may be a little, initially it was something that was difficult to implement, and a lot of our office parks in fact believed that it's not possible to get every employee from a tenanted office to download a particular application for access entry. But I think the integration has worked so beautifully that I almost think that they enjoy it. We have not had a single tenant or tenanted office even come back to the developer to say, while we have started using this technology, we don't want to use it anymore. It has not even happened in a single case, right? I think that's a great success, and that is a lot of value that we are adding. As we go about, we are planning to, along with you, work a lot on the AI and the reports and the analytics around it. And that is where, I think a lot more transformation is expected in the days to come.
Yeah, I think we have seen directly our end customers, or even some random users mentioning to us that we've used your solution along with
Yeah.
Anurag in so and so property. So that's a very great feeling when somebody else tells you about this. Uh, which project you think you can highlight, which was which was challenging yet is now one of the biggest, and you feel that it was the best project which we both have executed so far?
So, just from a perspective point of view, I think we've now worked in several different office parks. I think the project, however, I would still like to highlight is one of the biggest REITs that are there in India today before it became a REIT, which is the Blackstone office portfolio in India, which is through Nucleus Office Parks. I think that was one of the most successful projects that we started. The journey has been tremendous. Spark is the name of the application that we developed,
Yeah.
and it has now automated some 15 different office parks within the Nucleus assets, including the one BKC, One World Center, and many different parks. There have already been, almost 90,000 downloads. And just to give you a perspective, and I'm sure you know this, but just to give you a perspective, the next biggest office park does not have more than 4,000 users, which is not using this platform. And hence it is a significant amount of success that we've had together. And I'm told that by one of the people within Nucleus, that this number is about to cross a lakh of downloads on an everyday basis, where users are actively using the app on a daily basis to access some of the office parks, order food through the app, or book an amenity, etc. And all of this has been tremendous in terms of the way it worked out. I think we are not just tech, and I say that for both Spintly as well as Anacity, that we have gone together on the ground, we have worked together as a
Yeah.
team. We have almost white labeled ourselves as part of the developers team, and we have ensured that every employee is comfortable using the app, all the issues are resolved timely. And hence I think it has been a tremendous journey with
Yeah,
Spark.
absolutely. I mean, globally, we have seen this market, right? Adoption of mobile credential, mobile access uh, has has been very slow globally. It's been a challenge for all real estate folks, all access control reader companies who are heavily marketing mobile credentials, Apple Wallet, right? Uh, but the way I think Anacity and Spintly work together to create this experience has really
Yeah.
driven the adoption. I mean, honestly, I get asked about this at least once in a month or twice a month, where I've used this solution at Nucleus called Spark. It's similar to Spindly, and I say it is Spindly, because they don't know it is Spindly underneath, right? So
Yes. Yes.
But it's become a very iconic project for us. So thanks for being
No, no.
patient through the integration process with
It's our
us.
pleasure, and let's hope that the other office parks that we're working together in India and as we go together globally is a huge success. What Anacity has also done, Rohin, is that the access points, as I said, the entire employee experience app, which is completely automated by Spark. We've also managed some of the features where any kind of interaction happens between the asset owner and the tenant occupiers with respect to help desk ticketing. All the issues etc are now raised through the platform itself, or any kind of communication or any kind of parking management that they do or allocation of slots. So there has been a lot of deep integration, and Spintly has been a great hook in this entire channel, a great partner, as well as the fact that without the hook of access, it would have been a little difficult, however good the platform may be, to manage the entire set of employees to come to the platform in the first place, right? Only once they came into the platform, they started using a lot of several other services that we have, of course, provided for them. As far as mobile shift is concerned, right, that is something that has been very slow. I also agree, and which is why for both you and me and the entire team of Spark, this journey has been tremendous. But I think usage of mobile is inevitable
Yeah, that's
today.
true.
People use mobile for everything from booking the cabs to ordering food, the 10 minutes delivery that is taking place. And I think as Gen Z comes of age, mobile usage is the only way forward, because they expect everything to be happening through the mobile first approach in the and I think that real estate or developers within office parks, or for that matter residential complexes, cannot anymore not take the decision to go for technology which is very very comprehensive and digitizes the entire unified journey.
Yeah, I mean it's true. My kids don't know to do anything without their mobile phone, right? Same with
Absolutely.
you. So I think when they grow
Absolutely.
into this world, I think that's all they will know. So I think this is
Absolutely.
just the beginning of that shift, and I think yeah, we are at the right time for adoption of this.
Totally
From
agree.
regional point of view, I know you guys started in India, but now Middle East expansion is going on. Uh, how do you see that opportunity? I mean, is that a much bigger market? Is it much more developed than Indian market? Is it much easy to sell there, or how do you perceive that market?
Well, I'm glad you asked me that question, Rohin, and very happy to tell you that we are already now 15 to 20% market share in the Middle East. I'm specifically talking about the UAE market for now, and we are expanding slowly into Saudi, Bahrain, Qatar, Egypt. We have a few new
Wow.
clients in Egypt. In fact, one of the largest developers from Egypt, Oman, have already started using the application that we have built for them. What we do is we build a white labeled comprehensive application for the entire customer journey. uh, we intend to launch or go big in the Middle East, simply because while India gives you a lot of volume, and this is something you also know and I also know,
Yeah.
and has some great use cases in terms of learning that we get from India, and we'll continue to value this market for forever, right? Because this is the market where we learn from, and our technology back office also is situated out of this place. But I think it's the Middle East which is transforming at a pace which is unimaginable, and every developer today has already realized the importance of data protection, privacy, having their own platforms which are white labeled completely as per their brand guidelines, where their customers feel a sense of closeness, if I may say, with the developers. And all this coming of new age promoters, right? New age promoters within the real estate space, they're demanding technology from the word go. So they're not waiting for you know enough projects to happen, etc. They want technology from the word go, and they want to automate the entire piece.
What about beyond that region? Do you have plans to expand beyond Asia, in Asia Pacific, like India and Middle East? Do you have bigger aspirations for global expansion?
Absolutely. As I said, this platform builds in India for the world. The idea is to not be defocused very early, in the sense
Yeah.
that we don't want to go into multiple countries a little too early. We want to really expand in the Middle East. But once the expansion of Middle East is complete, let's say in the next 2 years or so, we are going to look at Europe or US for that matter as very key markets for ourselves. And some bit of pilots we are going to do in these 2 years in these markets to see how it is very exciting. You are situated in US, and we keep taking insights from you. And of course, with the kind of partnership we've already had in India, I have no reason to believe that Spintly and Anacity will not move together in the rest of the globe as well.
Yeah, I think you brought up a very good point. Focus on specific areas or business or
Yeah,
regions is very important to really
absolutely.
have the product scale and the business model scale. I think that's something which we've learned the hard way as well. Um,
Yes, yes, it's a
how,
mistake all of us have made in the past as founders, and I think it's a big realization that where you're already growing, where there's already a lot of demand, I think one has to learn to fully go deep before the next bit of stage has to come.
Great. So, I mean, real estate space has really taught us a lot of things. I think one of the biggest things is patience. Like deals take so long to
Yeah.
close. How do you really deal with your uh, per, personal life versus professional life while you're working in real estate space, working as a business leader, which is heavily demanding. I'm sure you're heading Anacity. So how do you really manage that?
Well, whatever I say, it's always easier said than done. I have two boys, and it's not been easy to manage and balance both. But if I had a magical wand, I would say that some time which is lost while doing one's own startup, and now with Tenacity, one would love to gain back that time. But I think they've understood the journey. They've very much been part of every journey that I have been part of. I think it's great to keep speaking to kids about what you do and why you do it. And I think the entire family does come together to help you. So it's been something which it's been very interesting. And today also they are well aware of what we are trying to do. So it helps. And the entire family has sort of come together in this journey. For both of us together, the other magical wand would be how quickly real estate continues to digitally transform itself, has that aspiration. I think with that, both of us have a lot of work to do in the days to come.
Absolutely, absolutely. I wish Anurag and Anacity really all the best, in the future. And also wish our partnership keeps growing and business keeps growing. And also, I wish you all the best in your professional career ahead, Shobna.
Thank you, and thank you for having me here. It's a pleasure as always. Take
Yeah,
care.
it's great talking to you. Bye bye.
Bye. Same here.